Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the bow stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the single crochet spike stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 10 plus 4. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. You're going to make 1 single crochet into each of the first 3 stitches. So that's 1, 2, and 3. You're now going to make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to skip 7 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Working into the next 3 stitches, you're going to make 1 single crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. You're going to make 8 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're again going to skip 7 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to have 3 stitches left at the end of our row. You're going to work 1 single crochet into each. So that's going to be 1, 2, and 3. And that's how row 2 is looking. So the sequence of this stitch going forward is going to be repeat row 2 for a total of 3 times, which I have done on my swatch. I made that first row and then of row 2, and then I made 2 more rows of row 2. It's going to be similar going forward. So we made those 3 single crochet. The 8 chains, we skipped 7 stitches and then made 3 single crochet, and we repeated that. So going forward, it's going to be 3 single crochet, chain 8, but you're going to skip over this previous chain 8, 3 single crochet, chain 8, skip over the chains, 3 single crochet. So you can see I've made my 3 rows of row 2. I'm now ready to make row 3. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first 3 stitches of your row, make 1 single crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. You're now going to make 2 single crochet or 2 single crochet spikes, however you want to look at it, over these previous chains of 8, all 3. So we're going to make them over these 3, just a single crochet like that, and then another one over those chains. And that's how that is looking. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Skip over to these next single crochets and make 1 single crochet into each of these 3. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Same thing, we're going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to make 2 single crochet or 2 single crochet spike stitches over these previous chain 8 that we made. We're going to make them over all 3. So that's 1 and 2. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Skip to the next previous 3 single crochet and make 1 single crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 3 times, so repeating row 2 for a total of 3 rows, and then repeat row 3 1 time or repeat row 3 for a total of 1 row. And that is going to be how to make the bow stitch. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.